Look at the scenery here. My car's parked down there by the right down there by the kiln. There's the Howgills over there. There's the three cairns. And we're going to go up and along the ridge towards Felling Clouds and then see how we get from there. What a landscape this. I've been here before, but this is, it blows your mind. Wow. What place this is. Try not to step on the flowers. Now, over there it's the Howgills. I'm going up there, up to Felling Clouds. Working our way up towards Fell End. In this utterly magical landscape. I wonder how far that goes down. Wow. Anyway, so we're making our way up towards Tarn, the backside of Wild Boar Fell. And this is the view that you get of Stennethkew Clouds, and over there Felling Clouds, and in the far distance behind that the mighty Cross Fell, and she is mighty. My little friend is following me. Right, I've reached some sort of gritstone layer. There's the Howgills in the background. Let's get up above this. No doubt sheep on Stennethkew down here. I've come across this bog, and at the moment it's a bit of a drought on. I've still got my feet wet, but it was moderate. And yeah, I don't think there's a track straight up from Stennethkew up to Tarn. You just have to take care and take a beeline up there. Up to this second gritstone band. There's the Rolfy Valley going down towards Sedbergh, and the Howgills. Over there, the Eden Valley. Fantastic. So yeah, second gritstone band, and let me get my feet right. I think the tarn is just in this depression here. I've just got to get up this quad bike track here. Look how deep the peat is there. It's a good 2 metres deep. Thick black peat. Last few metres before the tarn, I think. Ooh, there she is. And that is a bit alright. Ooh, and there's my water source. Wow. And this last bluff way is up the backside of Wild Boar Fell. And when I've got pitched, I'll have a scoot up there to the summit, I think. Well, you're spoilt for choice for pitches up here. You are spoilt for choice. I'll stang edge. Centre shot, Penny Ghent. Centre shot, Ingleborough, and to the right of that, Whernside. Summit of Wild Boar Fell, looking out to the Howgills. Tea is on, cheesy pasta by Mugshot, £1 something. There's my shelter, there's my water, there's the Howgills. How good is that, eh? Double shot of double chocolate mocha on the go. Wild camp by a mountain tarn in the Yorkshire Dales National Park. Well, it's about 10 o'clock at night, well after sunset. As you can see, more than enough light. Maybe it'll tighten up when I zip it all up. Look at the amount of headspace in this Shula Bivi by Nortent.
just above tarn, and as you can see, just below the summit ridge of Wild Boar Fell. Leave no trace. Lovely night on Wild Boar Fell at Tarn. I'll just leave you with a spin round. There's the howgills in the background and the tarn. Leave no trace. Tell you what, it's buggy this bit, hence all the bog cotton. So, mountain birdies protesting at me. Anyway, carrying on. So we've made our way down through this quite boggy section. You can see it's some shelter there on Wild Boar Fell. I was camped on this knoll here just below this scarp, about there. And I've wended my way down here. There's the howgills. We've come down from right up there. Wild Boar Fell. And look at this. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, about 7:30. I'd go in across that bog. It's only to be expected. Right, I'm heading over there now. Might head down to that cairn there, I think. It's a lime kiln, disused.
Hope you enjoyed this one. The wonderful wild boar fell, sand tarn, and the limestone pavement just off Felling Clouds. I'll see you on the next one. I might even have this little chap. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.